Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable SMS notifications for comments on Facebook web on PC with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop the moment someone replies to your comment, this quick setup is for you. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in to your account. The steps are straightforward and you'll be ready to stay connected in just a few moments. Start by clicking your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a small menu with various options. From here, select Settings and Privacy to reveal more choices. It's the hub where you control how Facebook communicates with you. Next, choose Settings from the expanded menu. You'll land on a page with many tabs on the left. Look for Notifications and click it. This section manages all the ways Facebook can alert you about activity on your account. Inside Notifications, you'll see several categories like comments, tags, and messages. Scroll to the Comments section. Here you'll find the option to enable SMS notifications. Turn on SMS so you'll receive a text message when someone comments on your post or replies to your comments. If you don't see SMS right away, don't worry. Some accounts may show options like mobile or text message under a broader notification setting. If needed, click through those subcategories until SMS or text messages appears, then switch it on. After enabling SMS, you might be prompted to verify your phone number. If that happens, enter the number you want to use for message alerts. Facebook will send a code to confirm ownership. Enter the code on the screen and you're confirmed. To ensure everything works smoothly, it's a good idea to test it. Have a friend leave a comment on a post you control or reply to something you've commented on yourself. If you receive the SMS, you know the setup is complete and functioning correctly. A final tip: if you ever want to adjust or disable SMS notifications, return to the same notification settings page and toggle SMS off. You'll still receive other notifications through Facebook's app or email depending on your preferences. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll be instantly alerted by SMS whenever comments come in on Facebook web, keeping you in the conversation no matter where you are.